Okay guys, welcome to my digital teacher, and this time I am going to review both Rockerz 510 on-ear Bluetooth headphones, and this review is going to be very exhaustive and in-depth review of this product, and there are very few reviews about this product on YouTube, and none of them goes to the very details and the ground realities of the features. And it is mostly there is a kind of clash between both Rockerz 510 and BoAt 400 on-ear Bluetooth headphones, and BoAt 400 cost around 1300 rupees, and this one cost around 1900 to 2000 normally, but I got this one for 1749 rupees. So it was in deal, I received it, and I am kind of satisfied with the product. And first of all, I am going to discuss features, or you can say pros of this product. And the first and very basic thing about this is, does it offer extra bass? So the bass quality is great, and it does have that extra bass, and the volume is, it is very loud. I never used it in maximum volume, so it is very loud, and the sound quality is very rich when it comes to HD sound or movies. And it does give theatrical immersions when we watch HD movies with your smart TV. If you have some great HD quality movies from National Geography or anything like Transformers, it's gonna give you great feeling, that theatrical feeling in this wireless headphone. And there is no sound leakage when it comes to the quality of ear cuffs. These are of optimum firmness. They are not very tight or either gentle, and it is very obvious if it is very tight, it causes discomfort, but there is no sound leakage. And if it is very soft, then it will be good for ears, but there will be sound leakage. So it is very obvious, and lots of people complain about it without knowing the basic reality of this thing. And it is only 1600 thing, so they're not gonna invest a lot. And as far battery is concerned, it charges very quickly in less than 2 hours, but I suggest you charge it for 2 hours when you're gonna open it for first time, so that it works properly for rest of its life. And playback time is good. It's gonna last 3-4 days, minimum 3-4 days with normal use, and you can watch 4-5 movies. The battery won't die, and it will last around 4 days with the call gonna talk like for 2 hours a day. And the call quality is okay, no problem, everything is okay, and there won't be any issue with the call quality. Is as good as your cell phones. There won't be any issue with the microphone or receiving the sound, so there is no issue with the call as well. And as far connectivity is concerned, it get connected quickly and easy with your cell phone once you pair it and authorize, and so that it will get connected automatically with your cell phone. You might face some issue when you connect it with your smart TV for first time, and if you face such kind of issue, I suggest you restart your Bluetooth if it's possible in your TV, or you can restart your headphones so that it will get connected without any issue. There will be issue in first time, but there won't be any more issue with the connectivity. And if you have Bluetooth in your laptop, it will get connected to that as well very quickly, no issues. And audio cable is very handy when it comes to the additional thing. You want to share music with the next person sitting to you can share with the 3.5mm audio jack, that audio cable. And you can also share the same music in wireless Bluetooth speakers if you connect with it. And in case battery dies of your headphones, you can always use that cable and use this headphone in your cell phone, laptop, whatever you are having. But because there is no power left in the no juice left in your headphones, it will like sound like normal headphones. There won't be extra bass when battery dies. So that's a great thing. In case you loses the battery, there is no battery left, it will work great. As far reach and range is concerned, the range is quite good. You can go to up to third room, even cross the third room, it won't get disconnected. And I have been using it for like 3 weeks, but I haven't faced any issue with the connectivity. I have crossed even third room, and I was still properly synced with my devices. And it's very handy when you are watching your favorite serial or TV or news, match, whatever you are watching. and you have to go to kitchen or washroom, you will be totally sync with your programs. There won't be any lag and issue. And I have noticed this thing, there is a very much or almost no lag when you are watching your smart TV. It's totally synced with your smart TV. There is no lag at all. I can affirm that it is great thing about this headphone. And now the issues and cons are concerned. I haven't seen any major issue in this phone, apart from there are two minor issues. One is hacking in ears, and if you are not used to on ear headphones, you might face some kind of discomfort or listening fatigue while you put on your headphones on ear, because these headphones have some weight, and if you are not used to and always used earphones, then it's gonna cause definitely some discomfort to your ears within 20 or 25 minutes. But you can settle that thing with the changing the location or position of your headphone. You can put it to back of your neck and over the head to the front side of head. You can shift it, so you will get used to it in 2-3 weeks. And second thing is, it's works perfectly with the guys who are gonna hit gym and working out, except two things. If you are do lots of running or strolling, then because behind the ears, the area behind the ears very prone to sweating, so ear cuffs will get some sweat. So either you have to clean that off either using a napkin, or you can just, in case you don't have napkin, you can just slide it over your arm or thighs, and it will get all the sweating off the cups, no issue. And if you gonna do some pull-ups, it will, your hands or bicep will get it off your head, so that is a minor issue. And if you do your abs exercise swiftly, then it again get off the location, so that is not a big deal as far as it concerned. And now last and most important thing is, should I buy it or not? Well, that's depend upon the trade-off between the price and features, because you will get that vote 400 in just 1300 rupees, but there is no extra features, no extra bass, and a person like me won't spend 1.5 thousand rupees just for a Bluetooth wireless headphone. If there is no quality in the sound, no richness in the sound, I wouldn't buy that product. And it has additional features like sharing and extra bass is there, and it is very loud. I have never used it to up to the full volume, so it is great in that thing. Second thing is device and requirement. What kind of requirement you have? I need it a lot for my smart TV, and it works great with that. And if you are a guy who works out a lot and hit a gym a lot, then it is again great thing. It's so fancy, fits perfectly on your head and matches, give great contrast with your head. And there is no issue with the device connected, it's get connected automatically. So in that sense, it is a great product. But you can also try the BoAt 1400, that 400 in 1300 rupees. There is no issue, but I am totally contented with this product. There is no issue with anything they have mentioned. It has lived up to the expectations. I hope you will like my review. If you have any question, you can put in the comment section. I have bought this product from Amazon. You can use whatever website you wanna you like. So please like and comment and subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so let's unbox boAt Rockerz 510. As you can see, extra powerful base and then some branding name, and you have this thing written over, high definition band sound, and these are the various functions this phone has. These are the music playback time, charging time, and standby time. And you will get three things: on ear headphone, USB charging cable, and audio cable. And this side boAt logo, and to the bottom side you have website name. And this is nicely packed and very firmly packed thing. It will take some time to open, and once you remove this tape and the cover, you will see the boAt logo on the curve of the headphone, and you can see it is really nice, very sturdy thing. This has some dull plastic on the curve side, but very shining plastic on the both headphone. These are the control LED light and volume control button and playback control. And to this side you have this on off button. There is no separate button for Bluetooth, so you have to control everything from this. Charging slot and music sharing slot you have on this side. So you can see the material is really great. You can also adjust the length, but by default it will fit on your head. Only in rare case you need to adjust this thing. And in the box, if you check, you will get one plastic pouch, and like it was mentioned on the box, you will get total 3 things. Headphones we already have, and now there are 2 things, I guess. One is this charging USB charging cable. You can see standard charging cable, and you can also use your mobile cell phone charger, the standard charger. And the next thing is this audio cable with 3.5 mm jack. You can use this cable to listen music from your cell phone and laptop in case your battery dies. You can use like it is standard headphone, and you can also share music with wireless Bluetooth speakers in case you wanna share music from your headphone to a speaker. So that's a great thing. And you can see here is the turn on off button. If you hold it for like 3-4 seconds, it will be turned on and you will see this blue LED light. If in your case this light doesn't lit up, it simply means it is discharged. You need to charge it, and in very starting you need to charge it at least for 2 hours. Continuous blinking means it is not connected with any device. Once it is connected, the LED light will blink after 2-3 seconds, and if you hold it for like 3-4 seconds, it will be turned off. And it also makes sound when you turn it on. So you can see on the curve side nice cushion, and the air cups are also very soft and the very flexible thing. It will sit very firmly on your head, no issues whatsoever. And there is a letter A written here over here. I don't know what it means, but its overall looks very great and contrast is great, and you will get these 3 things in total, so nothing else. So this was it from my side. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe. I have 2 channels, My Digital Teacher 1 and My Digital Teacher 2. You can like any one of them. So that's it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.